In outer space, any launch creates space debris. Since the first man-made object was launched into space in 1957, more than 5,600 launches have taken place. In addition, incidents and collisions create additional space debris. As a result, human activities have caused significant negative effects on outer space. As during the past 6 decades, near-Earth orbits have been filled with functional and non-functional objects, the overwhelming majority of which are debris. Currently, only 6% of the cataloged orbital population are functional objects. The number of non-functional objects that are trackable and contained in the Space Surveillance Network catalog show that there are more than 21,000 larger than 10 centimeters. For smaller sizes, the estimates are based on statistical models such as NASA's Standard Breakup Model and in-situ measurements. The estimates include 150 million objects larger than 1 millimeter and 600,000 objects up to 1 centimeter. Moreover, 900,000 pieces of space debris larger than 1 centimeter have resulted from more than 200 on-orbit defragmentations. As a consequence of the vast orbital velocity in low Earth orbit, impacts with the smallest objects of 1 millimeter might cause degradation and damage to functional spacecraft. So far, shielding options have been developed, but they are only effective for fragments not larger than 1 centimeter. Impacts with larger objects have the potential to destroy functional satellites. According to ESA's data, the destruction of individual satellites due to a space debris impact or permanent loss of specific orbits because of unchecked debris growth would have a devastating effect on Europe's economic activities in space, worth directly over 8 billion euros, and would seriously affect the global economy. Today, global satellite operators spend 14 million euros annually on debris impact avoidance maneuvers, but more than 99% of these are false alerts. However, in recent years, the commercialization of space is seeing huge growth. And this means massive deployment of small satellites in large constellations by new commercial players. This will generate several hundreds of thousands of collision warnings each week for operators of mega constellations. The study's results demonstrate that the only effective way to deal with space debris issues before it's too late, reaching the point of loss of functional satellites, spacecraft, or even human life, and seriously affecting the global economy, is the direct and immediate active debris removal process. Prometheus Space Technologies have made serious studies and gathered almost every scientific research that has been published about the space debris case. We aim at the heart of the problem, and without any hesitation, we provide the most effective way to solve this problem before it's too late.